Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI to get a job. Basically, this will not help you like guarantee a job, but it will help you make write a job application or a CV. So basically guys, what I need you to do first is go ahead and open your devices and then go to any browser that you have in them. Now go to the URL section and then from here I will need you to open AI. So open AI. So to go to OpenAI, so this is the website, and I will need you guys to go to the top of the website and click on try. So let's click on try, as you can see here, and basically we have just to connect to our account. I have already connected to my account. You guys need just like to create a new account if you don't have an account already. Just like for example, you can use email password or you can just log in using Gmail, Facebook, or Twitter account that you have already existing. Now, after you open that, let's say, can you or write me a job application for to Netflix, for example. So let's see if it's gonna write me actually that. So, dear hiring manager, I'm writing to express my interest in the open position at Netflix. With my background in relevant field, I am confident in ability to make valuable contribution to your team. I have that has prepared me for this role, including specific example. Additionally, I'm highly skilled in what I believe would be an asset to Netflix. I'm excited about the opportunity to work at a company that is forefront of innovative entertainment industry. So as you can see here, this is the letter or the email that you have uh, created for us. So for example, can you send me a sample example of CV? Uh, CV. Stop. CV. Sure, here's an example of a CV. Name, information, phone, summary, ta, ta, ta. So it can actually write you a CV with your information if you want. If you give it the information of you, it can write you summary, education, experience, and so go on. And you can edit it whenever you like, guys. So yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.